How to fix this error in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix the annoying waiting for this message. This may take a while issue in Messenger. If you're having trouble accessing your messages, this step-by-step guide will help you resolve it quickly and easily. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. So check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and try reloading Messenger. Second of all, look for an update for the Messenger app. If there are any updates, this issue might rise. So go to the App Store or the Google Play and try to update your application if there are any updates available. Then you have to clear your Messenger cache. So go to the apps and applications in your phone settings, scroll down and tap on storage and then clear cache. You can also reinstall Messenger. So long press the Messenger app icon and select uninstall, then go back to the App Store or Google Play and install the application again. This should fix the issue. If the issue still rises, you can check for Facebook server issues, because the problem might not lay in your application or in your phone. So go to downdetector.com and search for Facebook or Messenger to see if there are any ongoing server issues. Then try to re-log into Messenger. So open Messenger, go to your profile settings and log out. After a few seconds, log back in. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the waiting for this message. This may take a while issue in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below.